Hey guys, welcome back to our FPS tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make reloading. In last part we learned shooting, so, you know, if we could already run out of ammo, why not make it so we can reload? Alright, so the scripts we're going to use today are local script and main. So, for the what we're gonna do in main, we're gonna change this to exclude. If you have this as the humanoid root part, you want to change it to head if it's the primary part. Just because it was shooting from the humanoid root part rather than the head, which is where we were looking. And basically that's it. They deprecated blacklist, so now we have to use exclude. And we can close this for now. Probably for the rest of the video actually. So right around here we're gonna want to add a function reload if ammo weapon less than gun module ammo weapon and not use, then we're going to want to check if the ammo is less than or equal to 0 so you can make an animation for when the gun is completely unloaded and when it's not. Just so it's realistic, even though that's not what many of my models look like. Want to make sure use is true so nothing else goes. We want to stop idle, and then we want to start reload empty. But we do not have reload empty, which we'll make after doing this, unless you already have your reload. But we want to make sure when it's stopped, we know, so it doesn't just start the idle after while it's making the animation go. And then like we normally do, spawn function, and this is so we get the server and we do the server animation like we did over here. We just copy this entire thing basically, and then we do re idle server, reload empty server, all that. And then I would do ammo weapon equals gun module dot ammo weapon. We're gonna print the ammo so we know it's back at however much, and then we use equals false and can use equals true. Uh, and we'll do and can use. Then we'll do can use equals false. Um, that'll ease of access everything, and you know, I'll make it all worth it. Um, all right. So now I already have all my animations made. I have all the animations for my reloading saved. So, right here. So I'm just gonna publish these and put them on my thing. Oh yeah, still make sure that the animation priority is on action because that that's basically how it works. All right, so reload empty, and then I will. Did I not copy it? Publish to Roblox. Overwrite. Reload empty. Copy. Reload empty. Paste. Okay, and then I'm going to load reload. It's the same thing but without publish to Roblox, submit, copy, duplicate, put the ID in, call this reload. Duplicate these, put them in server, and then publish the server ones too. There we go. Paste the ID in there, and then reload, publish the Roblox, submit, copy ID, put it in there. And now our entire reload script should be working. It should all be working. So, yep. We shoot until we're out of ammo, and then we press R and nothing happens. That's because we don't even have it set up. We don't have any way to know it exists. But it's functional as far as we know. So, hold on. Do we have it up here? Okay, we do. We want to go 2 down from our button, 1 up. User input service dot input began connect function input processed. So we're gonna make sure it's not processed, so someone's not pressing R in chat and then it'll reload, because And then we want to see if input.keycode equals enum.keycode.r. So whenever they press R, you can, if you're gonna make a controller, you can do enum.keycode.button X, and that'll do a controller X. You can go through the documentation and all that for whatever, and then we'll just call reload. So we gotta make sure, else if not, actually no, we're just gonna do an else here, and then use equals true. Enemy, we'll just copy this entire part right up here. And then what we do is change reload empty to reload. Reload server, reload server. The idle can stay the same and all that. Now it should all work. Now if I waste the entire mag for fun. There we go. And then it did the reload, empty reload. And now what I'm gonna do is go down to where we print, because we know it works, all that. And that is how you add reloading to our FPS game that we're making. I hope you all have a very, very, very good day.